Error codes P0446, P0447, and P0448 all indicate issues within the evap system's vent control circuit, which prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. While they share symptoms like a check engine light or difficulty refueling, they specify different electrical faults. P0446 is a general malfunction code often caused by a mechanically stuck valve or restricted airflow. P0447 specifically denotes an open circuit, such as a broken wire or disconnected solenoid, whereas P0448 identifies a short circuit, typically due to internal failure or damaged wiring causing excessive current. Identifying the exact code is essential for determining whether to fix a physical blockage or an electrical wiring failure. Here are 2 simple DIY methods that you can try to solve these problems. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with the correct model gas cap. Method B, the charcoal canister. Most fuel vapor canisters can be located on the driver's side of the vehicle close to the rear tire. First, carefully remove the charcoal canister from your car. Locate the fuel pillar. Inject water from the fuel pillar to clean the charcoal canister through. Reinstall the charcoal canister back in your car once it gets dried. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below, our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.